This luxury limousine debuted less than a month ago. One of the first customers managed to break it down after a few minutes. It's a sad day for fans of the new Genesis G80. A luxury limousine was just shown to the planet last month, and therefore the first major accident with it's already been registered. The details of this incident are unknown. All we all know is that a luxury limousine was involved in an accident a couple of minutes after it had been delivered to the customer. Pictures show that the car would require serious repairs. A large portion of the driver's front quarter is missing. The remainder looked broken. Additionally, one among the side mirrors was completely bent backwards. The door, which had an enormous scratch on the window line, was also hit hard. It is difficult to mention what caused such damage. It's a touch like something has fallen on the car. This, however, wouldn't explain the strange position of the mirror. Regardless of what exactly happened, it's obvious that the car won't work for an extended time. Interestingly, Genesis G80 2021 was presented to the planet only at the top of March, after the premiere of GV80. It represents a big breakthrough from the previous version of the G80. The brand boasts the athletic elegance design, which incorporates distinctive double headlights and taillights. Many changes have also been made to the inside of the car. They include, among others, a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster with 3D technology and a 14.5-inch multimedia. If it is a dealer car, they'll fix it and then put it in their loaner fleet. It will save them from having to discount it heavily, and then when they sell it later, it will be a used loaner with a dirty Carfax, but at that point, it won't cost them nearly as much.